Well, Louis Borsino, Man of the Market, and this is a recap today. And I don't know where to start. I like to start with thank God that we had good news. Strong dollar, weak foreign demand, pressure weak, corn, soybeans, Top Chef Trader. Okay. All right. Well, who would ever think that because our economy is better than the rest of the world and the rest of the world is going to a major depression, I guess, and we're the only viable economy out there because we outprinted everybody and outlasted everybody. But I hate to be smug, but I told you so. They are not gonna raise rates. Miss Yellen and the Fed does not have to raise rates. You see this line here? 150.29 is where the rate was. That's how low it was in December of 2012. We made a high up here of 151.18 on a 30-year bond. So the rest of the world, where we are sticking our rates up the proverbial butt right now. That's what we're doing. All right, you wanna euros? You don't want to be in euro?
Order canceled.
Then here's where you got to be. You don't want to be in euro bonds or any other bonds? Then this is where you got to be. You don't want to be in any other currency? Then go to the dollar. There we go. All right. So oil, so I mean, this is, it's, I expected this today. I expected that they were leaving rates alone, and we got a big rally off of it on the bonds. Okay. Now, gold never took that area out I talked about. We talked about this, and was that 1294. I thought we'd get a big rally out of it. This, based on what's going on, is a little surprising, right? Because it looks like if rates are going there, there's more unstable, and these things that go to the moon. And then our good old friend, oil. Let me go get it up. Here's, oops, where is that oil chart? There it is. Oil, there it goes. Back down to $44. So remember, I think this is going to make a stupid low. When I say a stupid low, it's going to make a low at like $25, and everybody's going to go, what the hell happened? And you know what? Come on. The Saudis said the other day that they're not cutting production. All right. Well, right now there's a $2 million barrel, 2 million barrel a day over capacity. So don't cut production. That's fine. Let it go back down to $25. That's fine with us. All right. So oil, $44. Um, let's take a look at what that did with the day chart. Here's your day profile. So, all right. So day profile kind of broke down below here. We had a little bottom here at 44. So where it goes, nobody knows. I think where it goes is going to be around. Of course, everyone knows that the next actual major uh, area is $34, and we'll see if we get to 25. Okay, and this is the scary one today. This is the scary one. Our economy's getting better, jobs are getting better. They're not cutting rates, and everybody. I think a couple of days ago they said that people were selling S and P's and buying gold, selling S and P's and Nasdaq and buying gold. So um, if you take a look at the profile, this thing is. This was a. I'm sorry. We we had a bunch of single prints, which we filled in now, And now we created all these for ourselves for the way back. Okay. Um, Alarming because from about 2:15 on, or about 2 o'clock on, it was program selling. It was actually drone selling, and all the way into the close. So that is, we started up here today, like we said it would. I think I called it all the way down to filled in all the single prints. Then when it went through value, we had all the rest of the ones we were talking about. We filled those in, tried to get back inside of here, and it couldn't. Failed up there, and went down here and filled in the rest of the fingerprints. So um, this is a little alarming to me. I was in the impression that all this was going to be a Fugazi, and these everybody means that they are buying the market. Now we go back to this chart, and here's the day chart, and we're below the 50%. Okay, here it is, 1998. We're below my little drawings, but I mean, we still, here's the lows that are important right here. So that low is sitting at 1970 and a quarter. 1970 and a quarter. We're still 2,000 points from that. So this was a surprising close. Surprising close, but we've had one, two, three, four, one, two, three, four, a lower, a higher. Now this is the second lower. Let's see what happens tomorrow. Let's see what the overnight brings us. Plus, we've got the big number on Friday. Don't forget, the big number on Friday is coming out, and that is the employment cost index. Now, if this market keeps going down, the people that are responsible for um, actually keeping track of that index may already know that it's going to come in like meaning that wages are not growing at the rate that they would like. So if the wages don't grow, then all this stuff starts becoming deflationary because there's nobody making any money. They're just basically treading water. So we need to give big fat raises to all those people, and we don't mean minimum wage wages. We need big fat wages to middle America and upper America, so they spend more money on stupid shit. All right, so that's what we need. All right, so I'm gonna keep a real close eye on the overnight, and see what happens, and see how the rest of the world reacts to what's going on. And if I see something, I'll put out another video. But I'm glad everybody made some money today. I mean, it appears that everybody that was following us on Twitter made money. Uh, so I'm wondering, what tomorrow will bring. But guess what? Since we're always going home flat, and we don't have to worry about those things, so I am gonna uh, wait till tomorrow morning and see what the overnight brings to make some more decisions. All right. Hey, remember, go to our blog. Chris Kahn does an excellent job with that blog. Awesome. I mean, there are my 10 rules for trading. There's how you follow the auction, how you follow the dome. I mean, she has done an incredible job, and I want to make sure I recognize that. If anybody has any ideas for questions, blogs, answers, things that you'd like to see in writing, send it to us at manovermarket@gmail.com. Manovermarket@gmail.com. We are working on a way of sharing my charts, and and making our pivots available to people. It's become a programming issue. We may have to switch vendors because we don't want to give up any proprietary information. All right. So also, if you'd be interested in having our charts and the proprietary stuff, send me an email at manovermarket.com. Manovermarket. I'm sorry, manovermarket@gmail.com. Manovermarket@gmail.com. All right, everybody. We are off for today, and have a good night. Talk to you later. Bye.